Hey there! Have you ever wanted to create stunning, professional-looking avatars that'll help you communicate your message or sell your brand? Well, today, we have a hassle-free solution that's just perfect for you. Say hello to Easy Avatar Creator. Professional avatar creation made easy. You've asked for it, and now we've got it. With Easy Avatar Creator, you'll be able to create an unlimited number of stunning, unique, and professional-looking avatars using only PowerPoint. Now we've got hundreds of original avatar characters and design elements that you can easily edit and customize to create that perfect avatar character for your business and marketing needs, done 100% in PowerPoint. No expensive software or graphics designers, cloud-based apps, or design skills necessary. With just a few clicks, you'll be able to produce your very own custom-made avatars for use in your sales videos, websites, social media pages, product covers, ebooks, presentations, professional t-shirt designs, e-cards, brochures, and much more. In just minutes, you can have a ton of uniquely designed avatar characters that you can easily use digitally or in print media without the hassle of trying to learn how to create them from scratch yourself. Easy Avatar Creator Kit comes with everything you need to create fun, awesome, and eye-catching avatars. It really is as simple and easy as buying our done-for-you avatar kit, choosing a template, changing features like expressions, skin tones, hair, and eye color, then saving a high-quality avatar image file out of PowerPoint. And that's it! You've got your very own new avatar ready to use in no time. Or you could just use our done-for-you image files that come with the package, if you prefer not to customize anything and just need a ready-made avatar to drag and drop into your favorite graphics programs and projects. Easy Avatar Creator will get you on your way to looking like a total master of your own craft, no matter what your niche. You really need to see this product in action. So don't waste another minute. Check out our revolutionary, one-of-a-kind, never-before-seen Easy Avatar Creator Kit now, while the price is still low and the offer is still hot.